Hello and welcome to my channel, Rookie Gamer. Today I'm going to show you how you can make Buck Capsule A in a bulk amount, right? So let me show you the construction. You can see this is the actual construction to make Buck Capsule A in a efficient way in a bulk amount. Let me show you the per minute. You can see it is 6 per minute if you use this construction. And so from this is actually from one area, so if you put this whole construction in another area, it's gonna be 12 per minute, so it's actually a bulk amount. So let's start. Let me show you the blueprint. Gonna need a lot of stuff, like gonna need the space. Well, this is the blueprint space, so I'm gonna show you how gonna take the whole map to make the whole construction. So we're gonna need 5 grinding units, 8 depot unloaders, 7 planting unit, 7 seed unit picking units, then 1 filling unit, 2 modeling unit, 1 protocol stash to store, and 15 shredding units, 12 refining units, 10 electric pylon. Well, these last are it depends on how you make it. So let's do it then. I can say this is the whole area of the core AIC, not the core AIC, sub PAC. So make sure you have all the depot bus upgrades so that you can make it more. It's gonna help you a lot easier to make it. So first of all, we're gonna put those depot unloaders. We're gonna use first two. Then we're gonna use the sub PACs to depot this, deploy this ferrinium ore. First of all, we're gonna put all those required units. So first we need the ferrinium ore to ferrinium to make it ferrinium. From ferrinium ore to ferrinium, then we're gonna shred it to powder. Then we're gonna put it put those powder into the grinding unit to make steel. So not steel, so that dense ferrinium powder. Show you this one. So from this we're gonna make steel, and from steel we're gonna make those steel bottle by using the modeling unit. So yeah, let me complete those, put those stuff. Just connect this. Make sure give them power. So we're gonna do the same in here, but not the depot unloader. So just directly keep those refining units side by side, and the shredding units. Then just connect the path, then the grinding unit. Now this planting seed and plant. Oh, wait, let me first keep those, put those, and yeah, we're gonna need the sand leaf to make the powder and to make those ferrinium dense powder. Gonna do the same here. Let me first put the shredding unit. Oh, make sure to make it a loop so that can make a limited infinite, not infinite, it's not gonna stop the production of these two, so that there is no need of giving those transport belt or path from any depot or AIC. Just connect those and make sure give them power. There you have it. This we're gonna use two more. This ferrinum dense ferrinum, or to make steel we're gonna need two more down here. There you go. You can see the steel production is on the way. Now let's make the powder, buck flower powder. This is the planting unit, right? Yeah. Make sure the seed is here. Just copy and put it here. I'm gonna need one more. I'm gonna actually delete it out. Just remove this, put it here. Not there. This is halfly done. Just make connect those. Do like this. So this gonna help you to make the powder, buck flower powder, and this gonna be the sand leaf powder. All those powder gonna go into the grinding unit. And from the steel we're gonna put two moduling here, so that from steel we're gonna make the steel bottle, and gonna go to the filling unit directly. This is the later part, so I'm gonna do one more down here. Just copy paste. Oh. So in down here it is quite a small area, so just copy paste this much, right? Then we're gonna use the seed and plant down here. Wait, the grinding unit, you can move the grinding unit down here. Yeah, gonna be much easier if you put here, and there'll be space you can just save. Just put it here. Ah, need the shredding unit. There you have it. Now we're gonna need one refining again. Now the modeling unit. Close mine, put it here. Make sure you have. Oh, I forgot. I should have given those stuff needed. Should have. Okay. Let the production be on its way. Everything looks fine and good. Okay, here. The sand leaf. Again, sand leaf. That was the seed one, okay. Then the planting unit, right in the seed. And in the seed, the leaf. Okay. Ah, just make sure connect all those. Now we're gonna put the final part. Oh, can now make bulb come out. Well, this is not actually over, we're gonna need more actually. Let me put it down here. Just making it more. Let it be here, okay. Now this is actually the the construction is actually done, but we need more actually. We need two more stuff to build. Now we're gonna make uh, one more of this construction to make this steel bottle, one more production for this. So we're gonna make this in another area, and for the powder also we're gonna make another area. So wait, let me finish it up. Just put a protocol stash so that you can store it. So now the main part actually comes. Now I'm gonna edit it out. Just make sure you oh, okay, make sure you have one space down here and here so that we can put more depot unloaders. I'm gonna need one more space, a little bit space. Yeah, I'm gonna use one more two depot downloaders extra, so that we can put the ground buck flour powder and here the steel bottle to make it more efficient and faster way. You actually need that to make. So after making this hole, you're gonna need a space down here. I don't have, so I'm gonna do it now. So just move this part here, move it a little bit up. There you go. I have a space. And I actually need the steel bottle. Can see how much I have. I'm actually making steel bottle an extra amount in a different area, different sub PAC area. Just make sure connect this all. So after connecting this, I'm gonna show you how you can make those extra in another map. So the construction is actually completed. So now we're gonna go to another area. Now let you know. See, this is the grinding, and this is I'm actually making it. Just gonna show you how it's done. I actually have the blueprint. I'm gonna share it later in the description or in the comments section. So I'm gonna show you how. You can see we can actually need two shredding stuff of those powders to make it more bulk amount. This non-stop. You can see there is non-stop. We need actual two, so that's why I done it twice here. Two sets, then one sand leaf. Gonna show you how. Just wait. So just let me put the seeding down here, then the planting. Well, make it opposite. Help you a lot. Same goes for here. Another one. Connect those to make the loop. It's done. Then the grinding unit, put it here, and we actually need a protocol stash. Store it. Now we're gonna need shredding units. Oh, kind of actually need space, so I'm gonna move it down here. No, no, actually we don't need. Okay, there you go. From the plant to the shred, again straight to the grind. The shredding. Oh, it moved just like a congested area, but yeah, to have more space, you kind of need to do like that. Now we're gonna give the buck flour the seed picking. Make sure I have the bulk amount. Well, you actually need not that much, but yeah. Here the sand leaf. Oh, that was the planting unit. Yeah, and I need the seed for it. There you go. Now I can make easily. Wait, let it shred. Yeah, you can see the ground buck flower powder. Now it is in the protocol stash. It goes. I'm gonna make the steel part. Actually, I kind of have it here. Yeah, here it is. Can see I have made it so congested. But yeah, this is how we're gonna do it. It's the same process if you don't have space here. So I don't have space down here, so I'm not gonna show you here. Let me go to another place. I think I don't have space down here too. Oh yeah, I'm actually doing it here. Let's see. One more. This is the fitting. It's the explosive. Yeah, I'm kind of actually doing it here. So let me wait. Let me just delete these so that I can show you the way. So yeah, this is done, right? First of all, we need same the depot unloaders, and the same goes it here. Well, not the steel. Let's take the ferrinium so that I can show you. Same process, the depot unloaders, refining units, and the shredding units. Then go for the grinding unit. Then one more shredding, put it here. Then the planting unit. There you go. An electric pylon. Same goes for here too. Just put a refining here. The shredding. Then the grinding unit. Just connect all those. Make sure give them power. Yeah, there you have it. Just connect. Ah, I forgot to. Then ferrinium ore. And I need one extra only, so just make one construction of this. You're gonna make an extra of the steel bottle. Just put a modular unit and one protocol stash to store it. Make sure to give them power. Just connect all those, then connect this, and there you have it. Another production of the steel bottle. You can see here. Gonna need two still, that's why you're gonna need one more, and from it now you can see here it is 12 per minute now. So you can make twice, or if you want to make one more, yes, you can use it, but make sure you have enough power to go for that construction, 3 units. So yeah, I think I have yeah, I have it. I will share all those, the powder and the steel bottle and the with the capsule. Gonna share it in the comment section. Now you have it. You can see steel bottle is production is on. It is going in the protocol stash, and eventually it will be transferred into the storage. And from the storage, let me go to that area. You can now you will see. Now you can see here all those bottles and the powders are coming up, and it's happening. Can see it is 12 per minute, and this is actually a huge bulk amount. I showed you here the construction. I actually have another one in here. I think if I remember correctly. Yeah, it is working out, and I can see it is happening. It is creating a lot of stuff. Bulk command. It is non-stop actually. Within 10 seconds, it is one. So there you have it. The whole construction of the Buck Capsule A. The whole. Now you can make bulk amount. So I hope this video helps you a lot and in your construction, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.